I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the DXG brand 567V, and I just got this from Best Buy. They had it listed for under $50. It does not come with a memory card, but it does run on SDHC cards up to 8 gig, and I did buy one for like under $20. I'm not pulling it out of the package until I know that this camera is going to work. Until I know it's going to work, I'm just going to use a little 2 gig that I had from my little PowerShot camera. So I'm going to unbox this little camera and see what we get. First off, looks like we get some software. Yay! Lawn ornaments. Comes with a really ugly pouch. Yay! Cords. I'll figure that out later. I think that goes good for TV. More cords! Oh my gosh. Okay, my absolute favorite, rechargeable AA batteries. I already have tons of these all over the house, and I already have a recharger, so if this doesn't come with one, no problem. I have a recharger. This is one of the reasons that I'm really hoping this camera works. Nice touch. It's a Nexcel battery charger. Okay, if it breaks down, no big deal. I've got one. USB transfer cord. I got you corded. Here it is. This is the camera. Okay. So, since the reason I really wanted this was for the batteries, let's just load the batteries right now. Oh, I like that. If I'm really gentle, I'll be able to use that for a long time. Okay, I'm not really good about guessing which one goes in first. I'm just going to pick and see which one. Did I guess right? To figure out which way it goes. I guessed right! I'm so pleased. Okay. So that's really very simple. Put the batteries in and turn it on. And then I trust that this is record. Bada boom, bada bing. So there's the unboxing and the operation. I'm going off to shoot some video. actually in the garage with the garage door opener light. There's my bike. So, you know, so far I'm thinking this isn't too bad for what it is. There's to old girl. Cookie. Oh, Cookie, you want to go outside? Oh, don't fall down. Oh, honey. Take it easy. Cookie, we think, has degenerative myelopathy. So her back legs are going out on her. It doesn't hurt her, but it's going to progress. Her front legs will go next, and then her respiratory system. So when her front legs go, she'll probably have to be put down. What we got on Facebook? Oh gosh, look at it flicker. Look at that.
Ew.
Wee!
That's weird.
Wee smell.
Wow, that almost looks like an iPod or something, except for it's too fat and not as cool.
It is supposed to be like the flip rip-off. So it's a flip-off.
Wow.
Ah, I made a joke!
Oh, that was so funny.
It was a good one.
How do I